Using SoundCloud gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to access premium features on the platform. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card. Step 1. Visit the SoundCloud website. Open your web browser and go to the official SoundCloud website. Make sure you are logged into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Step 2. Navigate to the redeem page. Once logged in, look for the option to redeem a gift card. This is usually found in your account settings or under a specific section for gift card redemption. Step 3. Enter the gift card code. Carefully enter the unique code found on your gift card into the designated field. Ensure there are no typos, as this could prevent the code from being accepted. Step 4. Confirm the redemption. After entering the code, click on the Confirm or Redeem button. You should see a message indicating whether the redemption was successful or if there were any issues. Step 5. Enjoy your premium features. Once the gift card is successfully redeemed, you can start enjoying the premium features on SoundCloud. Explore the platform and make the most of your new access. Thank you for following these steps. Enjoy your enhanced SoundCloud experience.